Artist trading cards have quickly become a popular way for artists to share and trade little art bites of their talents and techniques, and a way to collect a lot of different types of art. And Soho has made a unique item for the artist trading card fan. If you look at the Soho artist trading cards, these are 2.5 by 3.5 inches, which is the standard size, and they're 2.3 millimeters thick. They're a thick artist trading card painting board. In comparison, this is just a typical paper trading card, and what that does is it allows it to take any type of media, from pencil to oil paint. You can use it on this artist trading card, and it has a canvas-like textured surface. So let me just go ahead and quickly show you. Just laying down some pencil, then like I usually do, showing you some erasing, because you can erase on them just fine. Going in with a marker, this is just like a felt technical pen. And then I have some watercolor up here. And I think that the color really does a good job to kind of show you the texture. Like I said, acrylics, alkyds, oils, sky's the limit, no pun intended. And what we have here are a couple of different illustrations that we had done earlier. Oil pastel, illustrative work using markers, and watercolor techniques. Really, the sky's the limit, and they've got that nice thick backing, which is pretty unique and really great value. So Soho's artist trading cards, a little bit different from what you might have used in the past. Really nice product for any media.